Piny owacho ochako chenro mar chiwo chanjo e kedo gi tuo Nyaldiema mabende osebedo kalandore e kauntis 14 pacho ka. Jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Nakumicha kawuono oyango chanjo mokwongo michiwo e dhok e kind okenge mamoko mag gengo landruok Nyaldiema. Ji 70 osewito ngimagi nyaka ni tuono muoji giko higa mokalo ka kwan ji maromo 4,173 osegamo tuono. Migawo mar thieth chiwo yedhe ne jotuo, pi maler kod kuonde logo oganda. Nyasi mar yango chenro mar kedo gi Nyaldiema otimore Tana River kama jalup County Commissioner Solomon Komen olero ni ji 11 osewito ngimagi kama moko 2,000 oseyudo gi tuono.
Administered in many countries where there have been major outbreaks with an excellent outcome, and we do believe this will really assist Kenya in controlling the transmission, a number of cases and deaths. It's therefore important. It is an important and effective vaccine that protects the population from cholera infections. The World Health Organization and indeed the UN community and partners are committed to supporting the Ministry of Health and county governments in ensuring that transmission of the disease is curtailed.
I know among the 15 high-risk counties, of them, unfortunately, neighbors Tana River, which is here, is hit in our country. I think we are far from there. If we follow closely, the issue started with us at Kadera refugee camp. It came to Garissa and it just crossed over because of the movement between ourselves and our neighbors here in Garissa, here in Tanzania. All leaders, you can see of the work that is